Welcome to the YouTube channel Physics Theories and Numericals, where we are providing you high quality videos for easy and joyful understanding of physics theories and concepts for life. Once you understand the theories and concepts, handling of numerical will be easy. This video is for CBSE Class 10 Physics. This is for spherical mirror. The first one is concept MCQs. Subsequently, we will be coming up with numerical MCQs and ray diagram MCQs also. We have designed this best MCQ video series with lot of care. Here in this video, we are providing you high quality MCQs. We will be starting from very basic level and we will moving on to more difficult level of MCQs. With the answers, we are providing you explanations also so that you can refresh your concept and strengthen them. With each and every MCQ, we are providing timer so that you can reach to your option or your answer before we take you to the answer. This video will give you very high learning volume to time spent ratio. This is going to be a 20-minute video, and in this we have got 20 MCQs. Some of them are very good quality. So it will give you very high learning volume to the time spent ratio. We would suggest you to go through the video till end and enjoy the MCQs. This is for your chapter light, that is chapter 10, and this is spherical mirror. In this video, the symbols we will be using the standard symbols. Capital P is for pole, capital C is for center of curvature, small r is radius of curvature, capital F is focus, small f is focal length, small u, v and m, they are object distance, image distance and magnification. The first MCQ. Which point is closer to the pole of a spherical mirror, center of curvature or focus, or both of them are at equal distance, or it depends on the shape of mirror? You have got 10 seconds time. Timer starts now. You really don't require 10 seconds time here, right? Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option B, that is focus. From the diagram also you can see the focus is closer to the pole compared to center of curvature. Next MCQ. Which mirror is to be used to obtain parallel rays from a point source of light? From a point source of light. Concave mirror, convex mirror, plane mirror or any of the above type of mirror. 10 seconds time. Timer starts now. Easy one. Time's up. Let's see the answer. It is concave mirror. The picture is known picture from your NCERT book. You can see the parallel rays come and get converged on focus. The reverse thing happens when the light source is at focus, rays will go out and will become parallel. So the option here is concave mirror. Next MCQ. Which mirror is to be used to converge parallel rays to a point? Concave, convex, plane or any of the above. 10 seconds time. Timer starts now. Easy one. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Concave mirror. In fact, it is the last MCQ only, told in a different way. Next MCQ. When a set of rays parallel to principal axis converge into a point or appear to converge to a point or coming out from a point, what is that point called? It's called pole or center of curvature or focus or center of mirror. 10 seconds time. Timer starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is focus. It is called focus. When the rays are coming and meeting at a point, this is for a concave mirror. In case of a convex mirror, it will appear to come out from that point. That point is called focus. Next one. When does a set of parallel rays do not converge or appear to converge on focus for a spherical mirror? In which condition? they don't really converge on focus. Conditions given are: mirror is a convex mirror. Option B, rays are not parallel to the principal axis. Option C, the rays are not parallel among themselves. Number D, it cannot happen. The rays will converge or will appear to converge on focus only. 10 seconds time. Timer starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option B. That means when the rays are not parallel to principal axis. When rays are parallel to principal axis, they will come and meet and focus. They will come and meet at focus. But if they are not parallel to principal axis, if they are oblique, then they will meet at a different point which is on a focal plane. The picture is given here. The point is lying on focal plane. That is called focal plane. So option here is option B. Next MCQ. Identify the incorrect statement for a spherical mirror. Incorrect statement, be careful. A ray that passes through center of curvature and the focus, 4 options, will come back in the same path, will meet the pole of the mirror, is moving on the principal axis, is coming from infinity. 10 seconds time. Timer starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. D is the wrong statement. A, B, C are true. It will come back in the same path. The ray will meet pole in the mirror, pole of the mirror. The ray is in fact moving on the principal axis, but it need not come from infinity. It can be a point source on that principal axis. It need not come from infinity. So incorrect statement is statement D. Your option is statement D. Option D. Next MCQ. Match the part of the sentence in mentioned under before reflection and the part of the sentences mentioned under after reflection. You need to match the sentence. These are basically ray diagram conditions which you need to match. There are 4 statements before reflection, that is a ray parallel to principal axis. Statement 2, a ray passing through center of curvature. Statement 3, a ray passing through focus. Statement 4, a ray makes an angle theta with the principal axis at the pole. After reflection statements, statement number 11 will come back on the same path. Statement 12 will make the same angle at the same point with the principal axis. Statement 13 will pass through the focus. Statement 14 will become parallel to the principal axis. You need to choose from the options given here. You have got 20 seconds time. Timer starts now. If you require more time, please take your time, pause the video, get your answer and come back. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option D. So there has been color matching made. You can have a look at the color matching. These are the ray diagram conditions given to draw a ray diagram. Hope you are liking this video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment on the video, and also press the bell icon. Next MCQ. A real and inverted image can be formed by which type of mirror? 4 options. 10 seconds time. Timer starts now. You really don't require 10 seconds time here. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is concave mirror. Only concave mirror can form real and inverted image. Next MCQ. For which mirror the image will always be erect and upright? 5 options. Concave mirror, convex mirror, plane mirror, combination of concave and plane, convex and plane. 5 options, 10 seconds time. Timer starts now. In fact, very easy one. I told you that I will be starting from very basic level and will be moving to more difficult MCQs. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is convex mirror. Only for convex mirror, the image will always be erect and upright. In fact, for convex mirror, the image will be virtual and diminished also. Next MCQ. A real image of an object can be formed by which mirror? 10 seconds time. Again a very easy one. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Concave mirror only. Only concave mirror can form real image. Next MCQ. When does a convex mirror form a magnified image? Be careful. When does a convex mirror form a magnified image? When the object is placed between F and 2F, when the object is placed between pole and F, when the object is placed beyond 2F, or never. 10 seconds time. Timer starts now. I'm sure you got your option. Let's see the answer. Answer is never. Convex mirror never forms a magnified image. Next MCQ. You need to match the position of object with the position of image for a concave mirror. Position of objects are given at infinity, at center of curvature, beyond center of curvature, between C and F, at F, between pole and focus. And the position of image also are given between F and C, beyond C, at infinity, behind the mirror, at the focus, and at C. You have to choose from the option. You have about 20 seconds time. Timer starts now. In case you require more time, do pause the video, take your time and come back. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is option D. Option D. Let's do that arrow exercise also here. At infinity, the position of image will be at the focus. At center of curvature, again image also will be at center of curvature. If the object is beyond C, the image will be between focus and center of curvature. If the object is between center of curvature and focus, it will be beyond C. If the object is at focus, the image will be at infinity. If the object is between pole and focus, the image will be behind the mirror. So here it is option D. Next MCQ. For which position of the object in front of a concave mirror, the image will be a virtual image? For which position of the object in front of a concave mirror, the image will be a virtual image? 4 positions given, 10 seconds time. Timer starts now. I guess you don't really require the time because when I was reading the question, probably you have already got your option. Anyway, time's up now. Let's see the answer. Answer is between pole and focus. If the object is between pole and focus for a concave mirror, the image will be a virtual image and magnified image. Next MCQ. Again you need to match. Here it is 3 column. Position of object, position of image and size of the image. Only 3 positions given here. So only 3 matching you have to do. You need to choose from the option. Your timer has started. 20 seconds time. If you require time in between, do take your time, pause the video and come back. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is option A. The arrow marking has already been done. If the object is at infinity, image is at focus. and it is a point size image. If the object is at center of curvature, image also is at center of curvature, it's the same size image. If the object is between pole and focus, it is behind the mirror and it's an enlarged image. So here it is option A. Next MCQ. What is the condition for which a concave mirror forms a diminished image? Object distance will be equal to focus distance. Object distance will be equal to radius of curvature. Object distance will be less than focus distance, or object distance will be more than radius of curvature. 10 seconds time. Timer starts now. Time's up. Hope you got your answer. Let's see the answer. It is option D. That means when the object distance is more than radius of curvature, then the concave mirror forms a diminished image. Next MCQ. Two MCQs here. Standing closely in front of a mirror, a man can see an enlarged image of himself. What is the type of mirror and how close he is standing? 15 seconds time. Timer starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The type of mirror is a concave mirror. To get an enlarged image, the mirror has to be a concave mirror and one has to stand between pole and focus of that mirror. So first one option C, second one option B. Next MCQ. A mirror has formed a real image of same size. Which statement is true? Is a convex mirror with object at focus, or is a plane mirror? Is a concave mirror with object at center of curvature, or concave mirror with object at focus? 10 seconds time. Timer starts now. In fact, easy one. You may not really require 10 seconds time. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is a concave mirror and the object is at center of curvature. Only then that case a real image of same size is formed. Next MCQ. A number of uses of spherical mirror has been listed. What are the uses? Dentist head mirror, car rear view mirror, shaving mirror, street light reflector, torch reflector. These five usages use different kinds of mirror. So from the option you need to choose for which usage which mirror is used. There are four options. 15 seconds. Timer starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option C. That means usage number 1, 3 and 5 they use concave mirror. That is dentist head mirror, shaving mirror and torch reflector. They use concave mirror. The other two, that is option 2 and 4, that is car rear view and street light reflector, they use convex mirror. Here comes the last MCQ of this video. Three mirrors are held near the face of a person and the image is observed as below. Case 1, the image is upright, same in size, does not change if the mirror is moved away. Case 2, the image is upright, bigger in size and it increases if the mirror is moved away. Case 3, the image is upright, smaller in size, decreases in size when it is moved away. You need to identify the type of mirror. You have got 15 seconds time. Timer starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option A. That means for concave mirror, if the mirror is moved away, the size will increase, and for convex mirror, if the mirror is moved away, size will decrease. So there may be a common questions, many often it is asked, how would you identify a mirror, what type of a mirror it is without really touching it? So this is the trick or clue. Hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment on the video, and also press the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video. We will be coming up with more such videos. Bye bye till then.